What's up, guys? It's Gavin here, back with another video, and today we're going to be fishing at my little pond I've been fishing at the last couple videos actually. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can't catch a couple bass. I got 2 rods, my backpack, and that's all we're really gonna be carrying down there. See if we can't catch a couple bass, and that's the video. I'll see y'all guys on the water. Let's try throwing this weightless fluke in there. Probably need to be at the other side of the pond, facing the opposite direction of this wind. Looking for that first fish of 2020. Wow, can't believe I just said that. Rookie mistake. Oh, there he is. Ooh, pretty nice one for this pond. First fish of 2020 right here, boys. First fish. Let's get a picture of him. Oh, it's really starting to kind of rain now. Let's get a release on him. Wow, that was cool. Alright guys, luckily it's kind of raining now. But luckily I always carry a rain suit with me, just in case this happens. Wow, this came in clutch today. This is really nice actually. What are these? I think these are pants. Yep, these are pants. That's really clutch. These are clutch. I don't think I'm gonna be needing these today, but clutch. Now the sun's wanting to come out. Get him in. What the heck? multi-species, little warmouth. Ow, ow. Look at that little warmouth. You can tell because he's got a bigger mouth than a brim. Brim's mouth is only about that big. This one's got like a bass size. This is like a if a bass and a brim had a baby, because it looks completely like a brim, but it's got a bass mouth. So that's how you know. Just by sensitivity. It's a grind out here to catch a bass. It's a grind. Either you want it or you don't. That's how it goes. You either want this or you don't. You gotta get out here and fish when you can. Oh. Ah, there he is. Got little guy right here. Right in the side of the mouth. Oh. Alright guys, today was very hectic. We had big rain, little fish caught. I mean, at least we got our first 2020 bass caught. I mean, that was a good relief. And a warmouth. Yeah, that was pretty good. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to really like it, comment, and subscribe, and there will be more just like this one. Alright, well, I'll see y'all guys on the next video. Peace.